All right, let's say that I put myself in a cage because I'm using a manual focus glass. I set the distance. I'm not sure I am in focus because the monitor is too far away and it's not particularly a good one. And I'm using
Per la casa, dato che per la casa noi non
my phone as an external monitor. As you can see, it's a cheap motor, so it's not reliable either. But I wanted to come out and test this glass with an ND filter because it's a 67 mil filter thread, which is the same one as my Zeiss glass. And so I'm out and about to shoot long shutter speed photography and trying to record some videos with this glass. Let me know what do you think about it. It looks like the color science is quite pleasing. There are people curious all around. There are boats passing by. It's almost Christmas, guys, and we didn't see any snow yet. Stay tuned. I put myself in a cage, part 2. Now I'm double checking the warpiness because I only have the IBIS, the step, in the camera, not in the glass. And the camera doesn't even talk to the glass because there are no EXIF data contacts to be transferred. And so I hope I set the focus distance properly. And with the exposure, it's all right because I have my ND filter at hand. And guys, what I have to say, this is a cheapo glass, but the glass is very good. The construction is made of metal, and so it's satisfying to use, to operate. It says that I'm like a bit overexposed. Let's see if I can close down. No, it's underexposed, okay? Better than clipping the highlights anyway. And so I'm out and about testing this glass, and so far so good. If you think that it only costs something around $300 plus taxes, I don't really know the price for Europe, and I'm double checking the warpiness and double checking it is quite bright, it is quite sharp. I'm satisfied so far, but I have always been satisfied with Brightin Stars because they sent me, this is the third glass that they sent me, and the first and the second one didn't disappoint. And so I'm really waiting for them to deliver and to release an autofocus glass for full frame cameras because the 55mm f1.4 that they sent me was for APS-C. I loved that glass, but it's a bit limiting because then I have to use it with a crop factor while I'm waiting for them to deliver a full frame glass, and then I will also enjoy it. It is becoming my second favorite brand, of course, after Zeiss. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the results. Yeah, I was able to find this kind of little beach on Lake Como, and so still the distance, I'm not sure I'm in focus. I hope I am, guys. And there is no compression to help me despite I'm ideally wide open, so probably there is not much separation because with this super wide lens, as you know, compression is just a dream. But I have to say, I'm quite pleased with the end result. It's a good glass, good color science, good definition. I'm out and about playing with that today. I will be hitting downtown and maybe waiting for the Christmas lights. There are plenty of things to see and to witness. And ideally, I might even be able to try some street photography with a super wide 16mm glass, guys. Let's try it. I don't know if anybody ever tried it before. Probably, yes, probably. For sure. Everything has been done already, right? There's nothing new anymore, but I will have so much fun with it. Keep it posted. Yeah, sorry, I just forgot I don't have my lav mic anymore, and I forgot the mic at home, and so probably you heard all these seaplane. Seaplane is a thing. It was a thing in Vancouver. It's a thing in Como, so I'm feeling home.
la